I'm currently a director for 2 companies as a construction. Sibhizi lapha eAnglo Platinum eRustenburg. Like I said, I'm a qualified certified life coach in other news. I own 2 businesses. Eyenza contract management, construction kakhulu, and I own a flower business as well. Bekumele ngabe ngiyenze namabhizinisi kodwa isikhathi so esingasitholanga ngixolele ngalokho. So I look forward ukuthi sizokhuluma nani. Last but not least, I am a trained inyanga, hence ngibizwa umkhulu, ngihambiswa umkhulu wami ozala ugogo. That's why manje ngibulisa ngithi Thokozani ngoba ngihlonipha nabantu abadala engihamba nabo. So I hope ukuthi sizofunda okuningi nani nizoba interactive nathi, singafeel ukuthi sihleli lapha ematafuleni anikhulumi nathi. So siyabonga kakhulu, nicula kamnandi. Bengicelile ukuthi sisasiphakamise ngengoma ngoba sine pressure. AngisiwumZulu but ngiyathemba ukuthi isizulu sami siyazama lapho nalapho. Ngimusuthu, ngiwahamulapho, ngimukwena wahamukodedi. Manje into ehambelana neculture ngiyayithanda kakhulu ukuthi singalahleki, abantwana bethu bazazi nabo ukuthi aboma. Siyabonga kakhulu. We hope ukuthi ilanga namhlanje lizoba beneficial. Siyabonga. Siphakamise ngengoma kodwa. Bekaphakama phakamisa yini? Wathi uNtombi ngizithathele nami. Wathi in the previous time iy'ntombi beziza zikhulekela because of their purity. Zizidonsela umoya oyingcwele. What you use that so that you can access some of the things spiritually and secure the bond. Sakhumbula? What's up? Obviously, the 3rd generation farmer. Right? Wakhipha imoto, benjani umbala wemoto? What did that word mean? Always be alert for opportunities, right? Hayi khanya yabona ukuthi ngikhuluma nabantu abamamelayo. I'm in